Hello, this is the extra compensation template. As you'll notice, there's a couple of things on here. First, there's two tabs. There's the extra compensation tab, in which you'll actually put all of your information on for your extra compensation positions. And then there is a send to BOE, do not touch tab. This tab, you don't need to do anything to. It will populate by itself. As you see when it opens, there's some zeros, some falses. Don't worry about that. All of that will get sorted out once you insert your data. I've listed some examples of data that you could put in there, but the first thing that you need to do is put in your location. You can type it or you can use the pull down. It is numbers only, and if your number is missing, obviously you could reach out to us. But let's just do Cordero because that's where I came from. So, and as you notice, once I put that location, it puts a location for all your people, so you don't have to put that in. I'm going to start with an hourly extra compensation position, and I'm going to call it the Homework Help Club. And that club is for students. We want to make sure that they get extra help after school. Perhaps this is an opportunity for interventions, whatever the case may be. Your after school hour or two per week or per day would be placed on here. So this is if you go into the first column, which is the type of compensation, there's pull down menu, so you could choose stipend or hourly. This program is going to be hourly, so I'm just going to copy the data that I have in the example. So Edwin Rivera, he's going to be listed as a teacher, and the start date is 2024. The assumption for any of these extra compensation sheets is obviously pending board approval, but if you want, put your earliest start date possible there. So I'm going to say for 25 hours, and the rate for teachers is $45. And you notice that the total compensation area auto populates, so you don't have to worry about that. You do have to put the account number. I'm going to use this account, but you know your account numbers, and obviously you can speak to your analyst if you need any help with that. I'm going to put another person. I'm going to put myself, and as a teacher, and again the same dates apply. 12/31/2024, and I'm going to also give myself 25 hours, $45, and then again you see the auto population. 401.100.100.37.20. Okay, so I want to have a sub just in case, and again we're going to put hourly, and the sub is going to be John Smith, and his ID, he is also a teacher. You don't have to fill out anything else for the subs. The assumption is that they're going to be working for this program. We don't need to put the hourly stipend because they're going to be covered by, maybe Mr. Rivera is absent, John Smith is going to cover for that day. All right, so now we've completed the parts for this program. Again, there's plenty of spaces for up to 30 people, and then there's room for 10 subs. Please do not add rows. Please do not add columns. All of this is automatically going to shift over to this next tab, which is on the send to BOE. So I'm going to click on that, and as you can see, this is the action form that's going to be showing on the board docs. This is what's going to be printed and put on board docs. We've had a lot of issues with changes of format and different fonts and different things, and that becomes a distractor rather than getting your program through. There's an issue with the formatting of a form, which makes no sense to get kids what they need. So we're trying to streamline it. We're hoping that this will be helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out, and thank you.